Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, News Headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 23rd February. And first of all, national news. Amravati to get India's first quantum valley, anchored by IBM. Guwahati terminal expansion strengthened Assam connectivity, lifted capacity to 13.1 million. No curbs, cooling off period, Rajnath Singh on books by military officer. Gautam Adani reviewed projects worth over rupees 40,000 crore rupees in Jharkhand, Bihar. After Andhra, Karnataka considered smartphone curbs for students under 16. Now international news. US set up massive air bridge to move forces towards Middle East. My new hero, Trump praised US top court judge for supporting his tariffs. India US postponed trade deal met amid Trump's tariff setback. And now, sports news. Pakistan registered bizarre record despite washout against New Zealand in T20 World Cup. Abhishek Sharma broke T20 World Cup sinks but failed to impress once again against South Africa. Bumrah's scripted history achieved stunning T20 World Cup record against South Africa. Bengaluru Football Club and Northeast United play out a stalemate in ISL clash. News related to business. FPIs infused 31,742 crore rupees into Indian capital markets in February. India's forex reserve hit record $725.727 billion. Holy trade expected to cross 80,000 crore rupees nationwide, CAIT. SBI actively investing in startup focused funds to strengthen MSME ecosystem, MD Ravi Ranjan. And that's all in news. Thank you.